Bubuin, Micaela Pilaes, and Mark Andre Labustur. Your presence is highly needed.
Purple na purple. Ang inyong din circle sa buwan na sa uniform na tulog kay mga penguin senior high. Oo, ikaw tiga na ito, ilisante. Ha? Yan kay
By the way, for the information of everyone, the certificate is temporary since Sir Bobby, our PSDS, is currently at Paquibato National High School for the RRM. So, wala siyang perma.
Ay, di ko sure.
But don't worry, your certificate will follow.
Color tip, pero brag na ay ka na pa na dili. Pero brag sa DNSC na uniform, ang style pagkakuan. Pero na checkered? Ang hindi ka nang brag diri dito niya pa mo anak ka dito. Ay, ilan na.
Thank you so much, Bernardino B. Bosque, National High School.
Ay, di pa mata next go pa. Kami yata last.
Again, for the information of everyone, our certificate is temporary since our PSDS is at Paquibato National High School conducting the RRM training.
Bawal di ay.
Okay,
Ang sa kakapaso wala uniform. Hindi ikaw pwede manghiram. Ikaw po yung bigwaso. Kamu tayo mag-uniform man.
Okay, for the champion in Science Team Super Quiz Bee Junior High School category. The champion is A.L. Navarro National High School. Coach, Sir Jesse D. Vale. Participants, Ralph James Rubilia, Ivy Love. We have the third place. Goes to A.L. Navarro National High School. Coach, Mom Richely R. Guillermo. Participants, John G. Cartagena, Christian J. A. Mamaron, and Francine M. Pastor. Give them a warm round of applause, please.
Wala naman sa kalmin ko. Wala na ulo batang ato. Ako. Sorry yan. Kita rin, gamas 10. Ay, ako na din.
Okay, for second place in Team Science Super Quiz Bee Senior High School category goes to Bernardino B. Bosque National High School. Coach, Ma'am Lyra D. Naraga. Participants, Jamaica Nathan, Joriel Mendoza, and Nikki Caballes. Please give them a warm round of applause, please. And for the champion for Team Science Super Quiz Bee Senior High School level goes to Mahayag National High School. Coach, Ma'am Sali M.